Hello watercolor friends. Today we are not going to paint a watercolor in the traditional way, but I think it's going to be a fun change. We will start wetting a piece of plastic wrap, also called saran wrap, with a 1.5 inch painting brush. Mixing yellow with water, then randomly flicking the color onto the plastic. The same goes for spring green and ultramarine blue. Carefully move and turn over the plastic onto your watercolor paper. Press down lightly and blend colors together. Cover with a rag and press down with your hands. Then remove your rag and blend some more. Peel off the plastic and let the paint dry. Let's repeat the same process and start with a fresh piece of plastic using cadmium red. Now the same colors as before, yellow, green and blue. Peel off the wet plastic and put it on top of the watercolor in progress. Darken your medium green with ultramarine blue. Then cover a geranium leaf with this dark green mixture. Place it on top of your watercolor background. Make sure the painting is dry. Cover with a rag, press down, and then remove the rag with the leaf. I added a teaspoon of bleach to a cup of water. It will help to lighten some of the heavy dark green. Use Q-tips as not to ruin a good brush. Where some yellow shows through the green leaf, I'm brushing the green over the yellow with clear water only. Cadmium red with water to blend. Use yellow sparingly and blend with quite a bit of water. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.